Hello. Happy Thursday. We got one more day into the weekend. I'm here back with a recipe for BLT. Now, as you can see, it's a little bit more than the traditional BLT, but I like to do my BLT my way. So, on my BLT, you can use any type of tomato you like. I like using heirloom tomatoes in different colors, whether they're green, yellow, red, brown. Brownish tint. I like using heirloom tomatoes. So this is a yellow heirloom tomato, avocado, onion, your bacon, and then your organic lettuce. And then on your sandwich, you use your mayo if you want. And I like using special types of bread. So on this one, I'm using, let me see if I can show it. This type of bread, the BLT Sandwich, I guess that's how you say it. And this is what it looks like. It's a sweet type bread. I toasted it. And so this is my son's sandwich that I'm putting together. So I put my mayo on my bread. Yeah. Let me see if I could turn this around. Put that over here and then put his plate right here. So this is my son's plate. I hope everybody had a great week. This is his lettuce. Tomato. He loves onions. And then I'm going to slice off little slivers of this avocado. Put your sandwich together. There we go. BLT. Extra style. There you have it. Quick BLT. And then with this, I'm going to serve some macaroni salad. And no, I don't make my macaroni salad. I have before, but this brand is pretty good, macaroni salad. So that's what he's gonna have. Rory. And that is our BLT. Let me see if I could get that money shot. Money shot. Let's see if I can get that money shot, that screenshot. Okay. Everybody enjoy your day, night, whenever that may be. And thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please leave your comments in the box below. Don't forget to share the video. Give me that thumbs up. And peace.